So we are here at 1816 Ash Street, and I want to take you guys through this home. It needs a lot of work, and it's had a rough life. But yeah, let's go take a look. So carport, large backyard, fenced. All right, so it has this carport here, little tool shed, and the backyard. So nice large backyard. It's fenced, which is lovely. And here's the back of the house. All right, let's go inside. All right, so as you enter, we have stairs going down and stairs going up. So just a couple of stairs here. Then there's a coat closet right at the entranceway. And then the kitchen here. So it has a little window in the kitchen as well. And needs appliances, of course, and it needs a renovation. It is a small kitchen. And then the dining room. So it does flow through right to the dining room, which is right there. It has a window there as well. And the living room. So the living room is quite large and does have a front entrance there, which is boarded up right now. And we flow through to, I would say this is the master. It's one of the larger rooms. Linen closet, washroom, and the other bedroom. Looks like this is laminate flooring, and this is probably old lino. All right, let's take a look downstairs. So right from the entranceway, instead of going up, we will go downstairs. And then just to my left, we have the furnace, laundry, so it doesn't have the washer dryer in place, but this is where it would go. And then it has more storage here as well. So awesome space for storage. There we go. I don't know if you can get a good view here. There. I think that's better. There we go. So yeah, so the laundry here, hot water tank, furnace here, has a rec room, decent space here, 100 amp panel, I believe. I will double check that. I'll leave a 100 panel, 100 amps, and then one of the other bedrooms here. So again, just needs finishing work, needs updating, needs floors. And then another bedroom here. And then a powder room down here. Just nice to have extra bathroom, that's for sure. And yeah, that concludes our tour. And that's the front door.